Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to the EPSEX online support program for grade 3 and I'm your maths teacher Ms. Filza Khan. Topic which we are going to discuss today is number pattern. So number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. This pattern generally establishes a common relationship between all the numbers. So today's thought of the day is happiness is not something ready-made, it comes from your actions. Now let's move towards the mental math session. So the question number 1 is, what number comes after 129? Yes, it's 130. What is 9 twos? It's 18. What is 21 divided by 3? Yes, it's 7. Now what is the value of digit 5 in 350? Yes, the value of digit 5 is 50. What is 8 fours? Yes, it's 32. So students, today we are going to learn about how to describe and complete the number pattern. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to add, subtract the same amount from each number in a pattern. So let's move towards the topic, that is number pattern. So students, number patterns are the patterns in which a list of numbers follows a certain sequence. Generally, the patterns establish the relationship between two numbers. It is also known as the sequence of series in numbers. In order to solve the problems on the number pattern, first we have to understand the rule being followed in the pattern. As there is a pattern given below, the numbers are 11, 17, 23, 29 and so on. So if we add 6 in 11, so it becomes 17. And when we add 6 in 17, it becomes 23. So this is how the number patterns move. So students, as you already did this topic in your previous class, so let's do a quick recap of a number pattern. So here is a number pattern given below and you have to find the next number in a pattern. And the numbers are 730, 725, 720, 715, 710, 705, 700. Now what will come next? So as you see this number pattern very carefully, the numbers are getting less when we move. It means that first we have 730, now it becomes 725. It means that whenever we going backward, so we are going to subtract in a number pattern. So here in this number pattern we are subtracting 5. If we subtract 5 from 30, we get 725. And when we subtract 5 from 725, we get 720. Then after subtracting 5 from 720, we get 715. And when we subtract 5 from 715, we get 710. And when we subtract 5 from 710, we get 705. And after subtracting 5 from 705, we get 700. So what will come next? Yes, after subtracting 5 from 700, we will get 695. So students must remember this thing whenever we move forward or when the numbers are getting less, so we always subtract from that number pattern. Now let's take an example What is 1000 more than 3000? Now we are going to add. More means we are going to add 1000 in 3000 with the help of the discs. So here is the column on the screen. So in the 1000 place I have 3000 first, so I make 3000 discs first. Now I am going to add 1000 more in the 1000 column, and if we add 1000 more in 3000, so it becomes 4000. Now students, I have one more example. You can solve the number pattern sum with the help of the disc method, as I told you in the previous slide, or you can solve the number pattern sum with the help of the number line as well. So here I have a number line in which there is some blanks given. You have to find the missing numbers. Now the pattern is 0, then an empty space, then 2000, then a blank space, then 4000, then blank space, and then blank space. So what will come in the blank space? As you see the digits, the numbers that are given to us in the number line, so the numbers are 0, 2000, 4000. So what will come between 0 and 2000? And after 2000 you have one blank space and then 4000. So what will come between 2000 and 4000? Yes, you are right. If we add 1000 in 0, we will get 1000. And if we add again 1000 in 1000, we will get 2000. So it means that in this number pattern we are going to add 1000 because the numbers are increasing in a number pattern. As I told you in the previous example, that if the numbers are going backward, so we are going to subtract it, and if the numbers are going forward, so it means that we are going to add in the number pattern. So in this number pattern we are going to add 1000. So 0 plus 1000, 1000, 1000 plus 1000, 2000, 2000 plus 1000, 3000, 3000 plus 1000, 4000, 4000 plus 1000, 5000, and 5000 plus 1000, 6000. We can also solve it backward also. If we move backward, then we are going to subtract 1000 from each number. So students, today we had learned about how to read, understand and follow the rules to complete the number pattern. Last but not the least, I have one homework for you, a small homework for you. So the question is, use the disc method to help you find your answers. A part, 1 more than 2900 is what? What is 10 more than 3034? And what is 100 less than 9099? I hope students you will understand today's topic. Do more practice of number pattern. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.